Bror Fredrik coming at you with a glorious 8K video tonight. I'm parked here at Caesars, but I'm having dinner at the Mayfair next door at the Bellagio, and I thought I would do an 8K. So many people are like, hey, Bror Fredrik, I know you can do the 8K, so why don't you treat us to an 8K? And that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I haven't edited an 8K, not from this device, since I got it, so might as well go and do it. So join me for a walk from Caesar's Palace. Oop, I gotta press a button. Over to the Bellagio Mayfair. And maybe I'll do a little video in there, we shall see. But stay tuned for the glorious 4K. All right, here we go. I'm curious to see how this comes out too. Whether it can actually show on YouTube in all its gloriousness. So this is a test, and I figured you'd come along for the walk. I'm gonna walk a bit fast because quite frankly, I'm late for dinner. And you don't want to be late for dinner at the Mayfair Club. So I have about 10 minutes to walk across. Don't ask why I didn't park over there. It's a long story. But I did what I had to do. So now we have to hoof it over to the Bellagio. Kind of quiet here, to be perfectly honest, on a Thursday night. I'm curious to see what it's going to be like over at the Bellagio. AWS reInvent 2021 has been in town all week, and they're wrapping up tomorrow, so I have a bunch of friends in town for that. But the town's been pretty packed, but it's kind of centered over at the V and the P. So I wasn't expecting them to be here. This should be fun. All right, we gotta do some bobbing and weaving. You see, just about everyone with a backpack is a convention-eer this week. Poker room's doing nice. For this time of night, it's only like 7:40 or something. There's the sports book. They got the glorious 4K monitors. Looks pretty cool, right? Omnia. And the rodeo's in town, as you can tell. This is actually the future of gaming in Las Vegas. I give it 3 years, and they'll just be table games. That's what's probably, I mean, just be electronic table games. 3 to 5. This will be a thing of the past. I don't know what they'll do with all this space. Well, they'll replace it by those electronic things, but still. Blue in 8K. What I do like about Caesar's table games is they do have walk around masseuses. I think it's like $1 a minute or something like that, which is pretty standard. Most places only have them in the poker room. All right, we're making good time, I think. What do we? 4 minutes in? Yeah, we'll make it on time. Oh. Yeah, some Christmas decorations up too. That looks kind of cool. I used to do my radio show from this location in K-Dawn. And the front foyer is under construction, which is why they put this tunnel in here. It's been going for months. I have no idea what it's gonna look like, but hopefully it's nice. But you gotta walk through this tunnel in the meantime. And I gotta talk over the copyright music. Oh, Christmas trees, cool. Let's look at the Christmas trees. I think we have time. Oh, that's neat. They decorated. Nice. Let's look at this Christmas tree real quick. I'm actually going live later too. So don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and especially the bell button, because I go live 2 to 4 times a week. And you don't want to miss any of those activities. Some kind of fun to hang out with. Let's be honest. Oh, there I am. Whoop. And there I go. All right. Let's see what the outdoor glorious 4K is. Rah, take this thing off. There's that monster crane that's been there forever.
And I think that would be fun. The broadcast? The guy doing the broadcast?
That's kind of nice too. Let's see what that looks like in glorious 4K. Let's see what everything looks like in glorious 4K. That's pretty neat. I'm walking backwards. Maybe I should pay attention to where I'm going.
Hold on, let me see where.
Let me see, should I take the stairs? Yeah, let's see what walking upstairs in 8K looks like. Not sure how stable the 8K is gonna be walking. So like I said, this is as much a test for me as it is fun for you. You know, not many people have 8K devices, so we shall see. All right, here we go. Get our cardio on. Rah. Bum, 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 bum. All right. Okay, one more flight. All right, cardio done for the week. Nice. That's looking good, looking sharp. Looking sharp. Traffic's pretty light.
Ashley, I asked for food to feed on puppers. Don't have to be so calm.
I think it's got decent dynamic range. Looks pretty nice. Oh, they got this closed off for some unknown reason. All right. Good, I don't have to touch the door. Ugh, hate touching doors. Back on with the thing on the face. Definitely more people in here than Caesars. Now, let's check out. I think I made it in good time. Let's check out our little Christmas activities over here. Ladies in red. Yeah, pretty decent dynamic range. Gucci, ladies. Yeah, I think I like this. I don't know if I do everything in 8K. I know it's going to be a bear to edit. You know, I'm more famous for the, I don't know if I call it famous, but my jam is the 4K, which I love doing, completely set up for it. Make everyone feel like they're here with me. We'll see what this 8K joint is all about. Chanel. Louis Vuitton. And glorious 8K. It's kind of neat. Let's stand back a second. Don't stop thinking about tomorrow. Yeah, definitely a more lively crowd here. Caesars is sort of losing its appeal, it seems. I mean, granted, they have like the tightest machines in all Las Vegas, just about, but it is what it is. When the Omnia Club is open, it's cranking. But that's a different crowd. They got their shopping on. And here we are at the Mayfair. So I'm gonna run in, have dinner with my friends, and then I'm gonna do a live video. So again, don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, the bell button to get notified when I do this again, which is 2 to 4 times a week, and I drop videos all the time. Gaming videos, advice videos, just plain fun videos, and you don't wanna miss out. And if you'd like to support the channel, if you don't know me, I'll show you me. In Glorious 8K. What up? If you'd like to support the channel, you can do that with Patreon, channel membership, or click on any links in the description below. And why not? I'll drop a 9% word of the day up in this corner. Bam! That'll let me know that you stuck around to the very end, and that helps the channel too. So drop that word in the comments below. All right, here we are. I'll see if I can take us inside in some glorious 8K, but for now, I'm gonna wrap it up right here at the Mayfair. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.